Good evening, everybody. My name is Flavia.
I knew that.
I'm here today to talk to you about multivitamins. How many people here take multivitamins daily? Bad. Okay, I'm here to claim that multivitamin supplements have a negative effect on a person's health. I'm going to be explaining how multivitamin supplements exceed the tolerable upper intake in a person's body, how non-natural vitamins fail to provide the same health benefits that are derived directly from foods, and finally, how the food pyramid offered by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, eliminates the need for supplements. So unlike most people believe and advertisements claim that supplements are good for you, multivitamin supplements have a negative effect on a person's health. My first point is that multivitamins exceed the tolerable upper intake of vitamins and minerals in a person's body. According to Nutrition Concepts and Controversies, upper tolerable intake is defined as the upper healthy limit of a nutrient intake in a body. So, there are no multivitamins that provide the exact amount of vitamins necessary for the body. So, your diet probably varies daily, you eat different things every day, and therefore the intake of nutrients that you take in your body varies as well. But when you take multivitamin supplements, you are providing every day that same amount of the same vitamins every day. So therefore, odds are that you may or may not be replacing certain vitamins, but you're also overloading your body with the vitamins that you already ate on that day. So advertisements also make you think that you're replacing something that you're lacking in your diet. But however, if you take a look at a bottle of vitamins, for example, the Women's Formula supplement that you can buy at Trader Joe's, it lists 667% of thiamines of your daily value, or 200% of vitamin A, or 200% of vitamin C. Or if you buy those fun gummy bear vitamins from Vita Fusion, it'll provide you 200% of vitamin D or 100% of folic acid. So therefore, what I'm trying to say is that you are more likely overloading your body than you are replacing something that you're lacking in your diet. Also, exceeding this upper tolerable intake of vitamins causes negative effects in the human body. So in order to perform correctly, your body cells need determined amounts of certain nutrients such as energy, fats, fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and water. The USDA specifies a range of those nutrients based on sex, age, and lifestyle. And the lack or upper intake of these vitamins and minerals can cause same harmful effects. So according to Sizer, vitamin A intakes of only about twice the daily recommended intake over years are associated with osteoporosis and hip fractures. They also mention that high doses of vitamin C are related to cardiovascular diseases. And they also say between an orange and a pill of vitamin C, the orange presents a balanced array of nutrients, phytochemicals, and fiber that modulate vitamin C's effects. The pill provides only the lone chemical of vitamin C. My second point is non-natural vitamins fail to provide the same health benefits that are derived directly from food. So most artificial vitamins contain fewer wholesome nutrients. What does that mean? For example, if you look at those same vitamin bottles that I was mentioning earlier, it'll list vitamin A, and in parentheses it'll say as beta-carotene. Or, for example, it'll say vitamin C, and in parentheses as ascorbic acid. What does that mean? It means that you're taking a molecule that your body turns into vitamin A and not the vitamin A itself. So, according to Nutrition Concepts and Controversies, body absorbs nutrient best from foods in which the nutrients are diluted and dispersed among other substances that can facilitate their absorption. Taken in pure concentrated form, nutrients are likely to interfere with one another's absorption and also interferes with the absorption of nutrients that you might have just eaten from food. In addition, fewer wholesome nutrients can cause human body cells to not perform at an optimal rate. In that same book that I mentioned earlier by Sizer, vitamins help make possible the processes by which other nutrients are digested, absorbed, and metabolized or built into body structure. They also say they accomplish mighty tasks. Therefore, if you're not taking wholesome types of vitamins from food, you're not feeding your body enough nutrients to perform optimally. My third point is that following my pyramid tracker that is provided by the USDA eliminates the need for supplements. So first, calculating the daily intake of nutrients in your diet is very complicated. You have to log the foods that you eat on that day, and then you have to break it down into all the different types of nutrients. And that's not very feasible with our contemporary lifestyle. So the USDA has a website that's called mypyramidtracker.gov, and it's an online free tool that you can input all your food that you ate, and it'll break it down for you. You can even choose fast food data. They have fast food data and other items that you can buy at the supermarket. And it'll make recommendations, and it'll show you, it'll help you realize how proper nutrition can eliminate the need for harmful supplements. In conclusion, we have learned today that taking supplements that, one, exceed tolerable upper intakes, and two, are not wholesome can bring serious consequences to one's bodily functions and for your health. And also three, the USDA My Pyramid Tracker can show you how multivitamins are harmful for your health. Therefore, there's no need to take multivitamin supplements because they have a negative effect on a person's health. Stop taking.
All right, you do clearly state your claim. The main points are laid out. Internal signposting is great, so organizationally everything is fine. I thought you did a nice job citing your material for the most part. You explain everything in the body of the argument. You're awfully dependent on the one book for your information. I think you're making some big inferences based on the potential risks, but you do at least suggest that those risks exist, and you provide some evidence to support those risks. I thought the presentation is generally solid. Sometimes you need to deliver your audience contact a little bit more. And if you can say supplements, I can say Flavia.